Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Okoyeocha. I want to bring you the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis as I do every week. Okay, so far so good. Last week was so good. So many winning trades. I'm starting with DSY as I usually do. Remember, I told you all these places are our reversal zone. So the possibility of DSY going back and making a new high, maybe going to 112 is still possible. Okay. We follow the market as it gives us data to analyze. We do not control the market. We just follow it from what we know. So DSY, let's go down to 4 hours. You can see on 4 hours, it seems we are getting an ABC. So if that is the case, it means we will likely ABC. So we may see 103, 104, 103.5. I mean this zone, and then we go up again. Okay. When market opens, we watch. Don't just go down unless you understand what I'm doing. If you don't join my class, I'll teach you everything. Okay. So nothing to show on 1 hour. Let's go to EURUSD. That's the next pair. EURUSD. Anything on daily. EURUSD, we have gotten a reversal pattern. So the buy on this is obvious. The only thing is that we can still have a drop. So I would be surprised if EURUSD drops to maybe 1.007, 1.004, then buy. So I'm not expecting a new low. I'm not expecting a new low. For now, it is a buy. So here is the stop loss. Okay, just look for buy setup. USDCAD. USDCAD is giving us an ending diagonal. If it breaks, we are going to get a buy, which will likely take the pair to 1.34. 1.34. So I'm waiting for this buy. Okay, that's a trade you cannot dare to miss. USDCHF is the next. USDCHF, what are we expecting? This very pair is giving us a little headache. I don't expect all this type of price movement, but as I said, I don't control the market. I only analyze. So what I'm waiting for is the break of this channel. Then I will buy. So I don't have interest in selling again because this pattern is somehow confusing. This pattern is so complex. Okay, so I don't have time to waste here. If this channel breaks, I will buy. Simple. Pounds USD. Pounds USD, the channel has been broken, and I don't have any doubts about the bullish move. We only check for buy setup and buy. So the trend is up. Pounds USD, the trend is up. Okay, so I don't have anything more to say on that. The trend is up. The selling is over. You only look for sell setup. AUDUSD. NZDUSD, I expect, let me go to 1 hour. When this drop happened, I expected it to give me an A, B, C, then and sell again. But this sharp move up is somehow confusing. So for now, I will update this during the week. I will update this during the week. So you have to join my Telegram channel if you have not joined. The links are below this video. Okay. New Zealand USD. The same thing happened as AUDUSD. So they always move the same pace. So you can see the 1 hour. I expected the same thing to get an A, B, C, then to sell again. Rather, it went up very, very fast. So for now, I will wait for the price to develop more, to give me more data before I know what to do. For now, no trade on these two pairs. JP225. JP225. Now, I am looking for a correction on daily charts, and the price here is the target anyway. So, but for now, let's go down to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, if this channel breaks, okay, let me go to 2 hours so that you see this. So I expected this pair to drop last week. It didn't drop. You know, it didn't drop. So now we have two options on this. One, or let me even go down to 1 hour. We have two options on this. First, if this channel breaks, then the selling will be confirmed from here. Then secondly, we might get another move up. But remember, all this area is our reversal zone. So from 27,900 to 28,600 is our reversal zone. That is extended reversal zone. So the market can go up to this level, but I don't want to buy it. So why am I saying all this? Don't jump in anyhow, because I say it will buy. I rather sell than buy. If it goes up, I want to buy. But if it breaks this place and I will sell. So that's my own bias. That's how I trade. That's what I will trade. So it's now left up for you to decide what to do. Do your own analysis. Don't just follow my own blindly, please. EURJPY. Let me go to 4 hours. EURJPY. I gave this update within the week that the selling is not yet over. This is why you have to join our Telegram channel. It's free. You only have to pay if you want to learn. Then you pay and join the students. But our Telegram channel is free. From time to time, we share trade that to make people profit. So I shared this I share this again, so you can imagine the amount of money you have made. So for now, no trade on EURJPY, no trade on this now. Okay, let me take a look at 1 hour. Maybe if there will be a trade, I will update it on Telegram channel. But for now, no trade on this. USDJPY, what we have there? USDJPY. I share this trade during the week on our Telegram channel. So if you sold this, the selling is not yet over. It is still selling. Okay, but you may take your profit, and if there is any development, I will also share again on Telegram channel. So the dropping is not yet over. Okay. The same thing goes with pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. This I posted this on Telegram channel. Okay, you can see how it dropped. Then we have two things here. One is that the selling may end here, then we buy, or it may break it and complete this big ABC. So you see, this is we have maybe A, B, C, D, E. So if this is a triangle, sorry, triangle. This is A here, B here, C here. Sorry, A, B, C, D, E. So if here is the E, it means we won't get this. It will just go up from here. If it want to, it can equally give us triangle again and still go down. For instance, it can give us, okay, of course, this is A. It can give us B as triangle. In that case, this will be A, B, C, D, E. So it can come to this place at wave E of B and then come down here to complete the move. So the triangle is not ruled out. But for now, let's watch what will happen around this place. So if you don't have the knowledge, you can focus on other page and leave pounds JPY for now. So now let's go to gold. Gold. What's gold? Gold. Gold. I posted this during the week as a buy setup. You can see the buying is on. So if you don't have the position, wait for correction or any buy setup you know and continue to buy. I don't have much to explain on gold. I've been explaining the daily chart almost on weekly basis. So I won't continue to be doing that. So gold is buying. The only thing is that it did not drop to the universal zone as we expected, but it has given us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, we need an ABC, at least for now. Gold will continue to buy. So sometimes the universal zone are not made. So let's watch out what will happen here. Then you bear in mind this might be an ABC. for another sell. So you have to be careful. I keep saying, if you don't know what to do, instead of losing your money in trade, use that money to pay the school fees and learn before you begin to trade. So that I said that gold is buying. You may jump in and begin to expect it to go to 2,000. Then you make just an A, B, C and sell again and come to the reversal zone. It's possible. So please don't jump in. Silver. The same thing on silver. On silver, I posted this as a buy. You can see how it went. So the buy still continues. Okay. So now the structure on silver is more impulsive than gold. So maybe the selling on both of them is finally over. So let's watch what happens this week. Those who entered through my recommendation, like the trade, make a comment, at least say something to encourage me to do more. All right, it's important. Then you have right to share this video with your friends. If you know anybody who is struggling to be a good trader, share this chat with the person. I mean, my link. Share this video. He will now join and be enjoying what you are enjoying. So now, platinum. I'm expecting platinum to give me a running flat. A, B, C. Then I'm going to go up. I posted this also, but it wasn't as fast as silver. I posted silver and this one as buy, but this one is not fast. Silver is fast than this one. So, but after any drop again, we are still buying. No selling on this. Let's go to oil. So oil, I also posted the oil buy. So you can see it wasn't going fast enough. Okay, so I hope you did not lose your money on oil. If you lose, maybe something, maybe if you lose, I must tell you, it's your fault. Why is this your fault? Sorry, I mean, oil is still buying. I expected a sharp move. So even if you entered the buy, I would advise you to close the buy because I'm expecting it to drop. Whenever you enter a trade and the trade is wasting time, you may consider closing it or move your stop loss to break even, because once it's meant to move sluggishly, it will likely reverse. So now, what do we have on oil? Two things. If oil will continue to buy from now, it needs to break this level. If not, it will go down again. Because why? Oil did not touch the main reversal zone. You see this yellow, this golden zone, it didn't touch it. So it may still come back to touch it to complete it. This gray zone is for this very pattern, but the entire pattern needs to touch this golden zone. That's why I said that oil can still go back to give us a new low before it begins to buy again. So now let's go to what pay again? Let's go to NASDAQ. Let's go to NASDAQ. NASDAQ. US 100. You call it US 100 or you call it NASDAQ. The same thing. Okay, let me just show you daily. We are getting this ABC. But bear in mind, this can be 1, 2, 3. So if price begins to go higher and higher, then it means it's no longer ABC. If price goes above 13,315, it's no longer ABC. It's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that we will be expecting. So if you haven't entered the buy on this, it's too late to enter buy for now. So let's see 4 hours. Now, I posted this because I see this as a reversal zone, as a reversal pattern. Though, I mean, the beginning of a reversal pattern, but it didn't reverse. I didn't say this. Why am I saying this? If you see me posting sell or buy charts, you must know that you only buy or sell when you get a buy setup or sell setup. Please, the buy setup, the sell setup did not occur, so I didn't sell it. If you have sold and you didn't move your supposed to break even when it dropped, maybe you must have gotten stop loss. You must have been stopped out. But please do not lose your money. Do not lose your money unnecessarily, because if you are trading without getting the real knowledge, it's better you use that money to learn than to be losing the money. So we still expect the market to give us sell setup anywhere in this very zone. Let me adjust the chart. So here is the reversal zone we have now. Here is it. So sell setup can still occur within this place. Then if you bought it from here, you are in a good trade. You may move your stop loss to this level, or you close it and watch what happens. Okay. Stop S&P 500. That's the next pair. In fact, it's the same structure on NASDAQ. I remember when I was making an analysis, I said that NASDAQ have entered the adversarial zone, but S&P 500 have not entered our adversarial zone. That was when price was here. So I said we likely see it go up again. And you can see it went up and entered the adversarial zone. So the entire adversarial zone is, let me go to 1 hour. The entire zone is between this place and this place. So you can still, if you bought the pair, if you bought from here, you can close it or move your stop loss to break even. Else, between this level, 40,900, 4,099 to 4,213 is a reversal zone. It can reverse within this place. Okay, so let's be guided. Don't trade carelessly about losing your money. Let's go to cryptos. Cryptos, Bitcoin. You can see what's happening in Bitcoin, 24,500 plus right now. You know, crypto doesn't stop. It keeps going from time to time. So I remember I keep saying it, that if you want to buy Bitcoin as an investment, that you buy it now, I keep saying it. Maybe you divide your money into two, buy with 50%. Then if you drop to 10,000, as many are speculating, except me, you buy again. Because why? You must be waiting for 10,000 or 13,000, and it will never go there. I'm afraid you may not see 10,000 again. I'm just thinking. We can still, it will still sell again. For 10,000, I'm afraid you may not see it. I post this chart, I post this buy. So if you took the advantage, you must be in profit now. You can see the minimum target is 25,000. Then the next target is 26,000. So, but the way I see it, we may go above all these places. This very week. So, as we all know, Bitcoin and other cryptos, they all follow Bitcoin. So there's no need showing them one after the other. So let me just show you Ethereum again. So you can see our Ethereum. I posted this that we get this drop, then you get to buy. Though it didn't get to the zone where I posted it, but you don't think I will be accurate all the time. Not possible, because as I said, I don't control the market. I only make analysis. So you must know that, have that in mind. What again am I trying to say? The buying is strong. The buying is strong. You're looking for a new low. I'm afraid you may not get it. You may not get it. So I'm running off on today's analysis. Is below 30 minutes. I want it to be very short because many people don't like long videos. So if you want to learn what we are doing, we teach you according to your pace. I won't rush you to learn everything in 1 month or in 6 months, because some people learn very fast, some learn very slow. So, but we accommodate everybody, and our charges is just little money, very little money. The money you use trading blindly is more than enough to take a course. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.